Hi, I'm Brett from Gizmo Drones. Thank you for watching. In this video I'm testing some brand new Freewell ND filters for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Now Freewell did release some filters not long back. They've got the standard pack and the polarized version, but these new ones are interesting because if you're looking to go the extra mile with your videos or photos, they give you some options to increase the dynamic range or to balance the light across your image, or to get that motion blur that you might be after. They've got the new VND-X Mist, which has variable ND filter, so you can actually change the strength of the ND filter just by rotating the dial, and it has a mist kind of effect which gives you more of an analog balanced image rather than a kind of a digital image. They've got a low pollution pack or reduction filter pack, so that if you film at night it reduces the glare from some of the lights. They've got a landscape series which is ideal for shooting into the sun, perhaps for sunset or sunrise. And they've got a long exposure pack. If you like to do photography with some motion blur, you can get the right ND level to keep that aperture open longer. And they've got the FX series, which gives you a nice visual effects if you're shooting perhaps into the city, and some of those lights will then have blue streaks or orange streaks. Okay, so that's about it. I'll probably do some tests over the next few nights. Let's get on to the first test, and hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.